up, guys? This is your girl Zyra again for a new vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be a bit weird. I'm gonna do a mukbang. For the first time, I'm gonna do a mukbang. A sushi mukbang made by my brother. Shout out to my big bro Drandy. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna eat. I'm just gonna dig in. Hello? Dig in the dough. Okay, we're gonna dig in. Here's my soy sauce and my water. So let's try the first one. What are we gonna try? Awkward. Okay, let's try this one. Sushi. Made by my brother. Shout out. We're gonna put a soy sauce on it. Ang soy sauce na ako kay spicy. Hindi siya mag-focus ako. And then we're gonna try this. There's ano inside. Cetriolo and carrot. Cetriolo, cucumber and carrot. I'm gonna put it on our soy sauce. And we're gonna try this. Don't know, there's ano inside. Cucumber and salmon. Doesn't shock mo kasi sila upgrade kasi sa Irabay na pamukbang. Yeah, sad. Kuan lang. Try lang. Kani avocado and salmon. Lobat. Nara, I'm back! Nalubat lang ako ang camera. So, I'm back. So, here's my soy sauce. And then we're gonna try this one. Okay, hindi siya kita. So, this is, gambiri. Cooked shrimps with mayonnaise. So we're gonna try it. Yummy siya. Then we're gonna get another SUSHI. So they say na you shouldn't dip the rice. You should dip the salmon. Like that. So the toyo is there. TikTok ka, girl. And then we're gonna try this one. So this is simply cucumber, just cucumber. And then, what else are we going to try? Another, this one, salmon and cucumber. Actually, I can do sashimi if you want to. I have salmon right there and the rest. If you guys want to watch me eat sashimi. So, fast forward. I slice some sashimi. Hindi ko mag-bite ba? Here. Ooh. Ooh. I just love it. I love salmon. Really do. Avocado and salmon. Yeah. I must tell you guys, I never ever tried any sushi way back in the Philippines because I can't afford it. Only kinilaw. Kinilaw was the only sushi-like thing I can afford. It's not my money. It's my mom's. Ooh.
Wow.
Guys, sarap. Sarap. Mga TikTok, TikTok moves. Can you see the heart shape? My brother did that. Let's eat another sashimi. Another sashimi. Ooh. Look at that. The tolling salmon. I'm just eating. I'm not telling any story. I'm just showing you guys how I feel. Mawa girl. So this is called cone. A cone. My brother said it's called a cone. There. So it has salmon, carrot, and cucumber. So we're gonna have a bite. I never tried this. What's this? I'm starting to get full na. Flowers for you. Dugay ko mag-bite. Okay. Last bite. I'm kind of full. Okay, all my 3 battery is low bat, so I keep on changing batteries and each time it's low bat. So as you can see, I'm almost done eating without showing you. Okay, let's finish this. Oh my gosh, it's ruined. Do I have muscles? Do you think guys I have muscles? I have muscles! I lift kasi. Normal. My goal is, do you guys know any exercise that's gonna lose these spots? Because look at this. Even though I have muscles here, hala, nawala na di ay. But I kinda have fats here and I want to lose these spots. And I don't know what kind of exercise should I do. I like lift curva. Last two. We're gonna eat this together. We're gonna try it. Uy! Nahulog, log. And we're done! Yahoo! I hope you enjoyed my mini mukbang. May mukbang. Wala, out lang showing you guys na I'm eating. It's so weird. I'm not even... Please like, subscribe, and share. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!